Good morning, first grade. Good morning, first grade families as well. I hope everyone is doing great today. Today is Tuesday, December 15th, 2020, and it is the 70th day of school. Cannot believe it. And your special today is physical education at 11:45. So before we go through the schedule, if you'd like to join me for the Pledge of Allegiance, we'll go ahead and do that first. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, very good. So for today, coming out first thing, you will see the math application problem for lesson 21. And then there will be two other wit and wisdom lessons coming out first thing this morning at 9. One will be a little bit of a review on informative paragraphs and putting an informative paragraph into the correct sequence or order. There's a video that explains everything. And then the other wit and wisdom lesson will be going back and answering some of the questions that you had for Seven Blind Mice. And then your activity with that lesson will be to record yourself retelling the story. So again, there'll be three things this morning coming out at 9. And then we will meet at 10 for our word building class today, our normal 10 a.m. class. So if you could please bring your dictation paper and these letters. It is B, C, D, D. So there are two Ds. If you could grab two of the letter Ds. E, M, R, T, and U. And I'll type that in the typed up schedule as well. Then today being Tuesday, we do not have social studies at 10:45 today. We do not. So we will meet again at 1 for math, and we'll work on lesson 21. There is a sprint again with today's lesson. So if you could also have your yellow spined fluency book, that would be great. And I think that's it for today. So that will do it for today's schedule. Here is the picture puzzle. So it's a word written one way and a word written another way. So see if you can figure that one out. All right. Please, as always, let me know if you have any questions or if you need anything in the meantime. And I can't wait to see everyone soon at 10. All right. Thanks, guys. Bye.